Hi, this is Don DeFlavis Construction. We have just finished up a project here in North Naples, and we've redone the kitchen in here. It's a smaller unit, but it has a really nice look, a really nice kitchen. It came out really cool. It has quartz countertops, nice subway tile backsplash, the shaker style doors, and undermount stainless sink, stainless appliance package. And I'm just going to get back a little bit where you kind of see the whole thing. As I said, it's a kind of a smaller space, but I like the way it came out. It's really nice. And from the other side, there's a pass through. We put some cabinets under here too as well. And I will walk you around. We did the vinyl plank flooring in here. Not the entire project, but in the kitchen, in this hallway, in the bathroom. And I'm going to take you to the master bath. So this is really cool. A nice shower with a glass frameless shower door. Nice waterfall tile feature that's pretty popular these days. Bench seat. And this is a cool feature. This is a vessel type sink, but it's built in a little bit into the vanity. Oh, there I am. Hello everybody. And again, we did the vinyl plank tile floor in here. Oh, and one other thing I wanted to show you. This is a really popular feature these days, and that's the barn style door that's on this closet. So this is it, a kitchen and bathroom remodel in North Naples. Don DeFlavis Construction, www.dondeflavis.com.